Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day today. We're going to be covering the As I Am Curl Color. This is a full review because I've used these for about 3 or 4 months. I have Passion Purple, which is what I'm wearing right now, Cool Blue, as well as Bold Gold. I will be doing demos for these, as well as talk application and how it feels and wears, so stick around for that. They did release some new colors and I got my hands on a few of them, but I can do a separate video demoing them because I haven't gotten them in the mail just yet. If you are new here, welcome. We cover beauty and hair on this channel, reviews, curl care, and all of that good stuff. So if you'd like to join in, make sure to subscribe. I post videos weekly. The As I Am Curl Color is a temporary color. The appeal is that you do not have to use bleach for this to show up. It does show up on dark hair. It will vary in how it looks depending on your hair level, of course, but it is meant to be vibrant on dark hair as well as light hair. It's labeled like a medium hold curl gel, so it does look and feel very different from a curl wax, but it is a little heavier than your average gel. You get 6 ounces of color and it retails for $7.99, but you can get it on sale at Sally's or on the As I Am website, which is what I did. I believe you can sign up for their newsletter and you get free shipping on whatever you order, so there's not like a minimum of your order, so quick tip. It's infused with Jamaican black, castor oil, and ceramide, so it's supposed to be very hydrating, and they do recommend that you use it with the Restore and Repair Jamaican black castor oil line. I absolutely love that line. I use it all the time. I use it on myself and on my daughter. I have the castor oil water, which is one of the products they recommend you use it with, as well as the curling cream. It is labeled to be flake free, so very different from your typical temporary color where it just flakes all over your shirt. It is vegan, cruelty free, no parabens, silicones, and it's labeled to be for like a wide range of curls, so you can use it if you have wavy hair as well as super curly hair. Just to go over what I do to have a successful style with this, I will either co-wash or shampoo and deep condition. I have high porosity hair and you want to make sure that you hydrate it if it's feeling dry, because you do not want the curl color to soak into the hair. It will not style as well. After co-washing, I add leave-in conditioner and a bit of curl cream, and I just go about my business and air dry my hair. Once my hair is fully dry, then I go back in with a little bit of Jamaican black castor oil water and re-dampen my hair. The key thing here is to not use this product on wet hair. It just doesn't work as well. If you don't have a curl refresher or the Jamaican black castor oil water, you can just wait for your hair to dry about halfway until it's like slightly damp, and then apply the curl color. One thing to note here is that the curl cream actually feels like you're adding water into the hair as well as gel. It's a very odd feeling. It's a very wet product, right? So damp hair should work perfectly fine to restyle your curls. Sometimes I clip up my roots while I diffuse to add some volume, or you could just flip your head upside down or flip it side to side just to add more volume to the roots while you diffuse. So the color payoff is going to vary between the shades. Now my hair has some blonde highlights on the top and it's dark at the bottom. The purple in itself is very subtle. It's the most subtle out of the bunch that I have here. It's really just a hint. If you are out in the sunlight, people will definitely see your purple hair, but if you're indoors, it's gonna be barely noticeable. The blue I found to be very vibrant, and I could see that in low lighting as well as in the sunlight. I will say the blue does stain the blonde a little bit. I had to shampoo my hair twice to get it out of my hair, but my hands did stain with the blue one, so keep that in mind. They do recommend that you use gloves for application. The gel does leave like a casted look to the curls depending on how much you use. So if you use a lot to make it show up brighter, you're going to get the look of casted curls. You can fluff the hair afterwards to break that cast and give it more volume, but you could possibly get some flaking because you disturbed the product. I also think the flaking depends on the shade that you're using. I did not experience flaking with the gold and the purple, but I did get some fallout on my shirt with the blue. The gold one is just kind of like a fun blondish pop of color. If you don't have highlights and you want kind of like that blonde look. You can use it either all over your hair or in certain sections. It's going to really pick up in the sunlight because it has like a shimmery golden look. I actually use this one the most, and it has lasted me the most because I don't have to use as much to get it to show up. This one shows up great on darker hair. If you touch your hair, it's going to transfer on your hands. It will transfer on your pillowcase. I did not have any issues washing off the color. It's temporary color. This is meant to be fun. Overall, I really love the product. I think it's super fun for people like me that like to change up hair color, but I value my curly hair. If you guys have followed me during 2020, 2021, you know, I bleached my hair silver and I dyed it colors of the rainbow, and then I did the big chop, right? So my curls did not survive that. I think this is a great idea to change up your look, kind of get it out of your system without having to bleach your curls. There is a learning curve to them, but they are super fun to use. So that's it for my As I Am Curl Color review. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you liked it, make sure to share. And if you have any particular questions on application or the colors, make sure to leave them down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.